Today, right in this building, we will have a talk with Mr. Koos Neffis, the UNDP expert, to find out the answer to the question. Now, can Vietnam take advantage of the availability of resources to develop clean energy? Thank you, Mr. Koos Neffis, for joining our interview today. The urgency and importance of developing clean energy in Vietnam are undeniable. So, do you think that Vietnam can actually put clean energy into use in large scale?
Not only is it possible physically, technically, but it is also going to be cheaper. If Vietnam would go through a path of carbon neutrality, 100% renewable energy by 2050, many people object. They say, no, this is not true. There is no space. We have a country which is very full of people. Now, you have been on the roof of the One UN house, and every building in this country has a roof. Every roof could have solar panels. People say, there is not enough sunshine in the north of Vietnam, but actually there is more sunshine in the north of Vietnam compared to most of Europe. And in Europe, there are countries where there is already a lot of solar energy.
Developing clean energy is a priority not only in Vietnam, but in other countries as well. Now, we do know that there are about 30 countries in the world that succeeded in making solar power cheaper than coal-based power, including middle-income countries. But Vietnam is not yet one of those. Why do you think is this?
Vietnam will be subsidizing its own coal-fired power when compared to the retail price in Vietnam. And the subsidy will come from cheap hydroelectricity. Vietnam has an increasing number of coal-fired power plants that cause air pollution, sure, but they also have solid waste. But in reality, local authorities also help clean that up. The taxpayer pays that. It's not only the companies who pay that. So solar power would become more attractive if you would include all the real costs in coal power.